welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be making a wrap top out of this men's dress men's dress shirt. So this is the shirt I'm going to be using. I'm going to start off by turning the shirt inside out, just like this, and then I'm going to cut out this triangle that is inside, that is in the front. I'm not going to cut out the collar of the shirt. No, don't cut out the collar of the shirt. Just this triangle in the shirt. I was going to rip this shirt. I was going to rip the front side off with my needles, but I noticed that the side that I don't want to touch is also ripping out, so I just decided to cut it out, and that works better too. So I'm just going to cut by the collar. I'm not cutting off the collar at all because I really need this color to just give this shirt like that classy look. After cutting it out, this is what I have. So now I'm going to move on to working at the back. Just lay the shirt flat like this. Just yes. I'm going to measure the length that I want. The length I'm going to be measuring is 7 inches long. You can measure any length. You can make it shorter or longer or anyone. I just really like this length. Yes, just 7 inches. Then I'm going to mark a straight line right above the 7 inches, just like this. But you don't need to mark a line. I'm just marking just to keep my hands straight. And I'm using this tape. You can use a ruler or you can just use your church mind. Then I'm going to cut right behind the seam. Don't cut in the seam, just about 1/4 inches away from the seam. Yes. After cutting these two sides, this is what it should be looking like. Now I'm going to move and cut along this line, the line that I marked earlier with this line above. I'm going to cut that out. After cutting it, please don't throw away that bit because you're going to need it later. After cutting, I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm going to move on to work in the front of this shirt. Just turn it over again, just like this. And I'm going to mark a line right in the center of this shirt. Is it a shirt or a polo? I don't know. I should call it a shirt. Just mark a line right in the center, just like this. Be sure to keep your hands straight. You want everything to come out looking good. Then I'm going to cut right in that line just till the end. After cutting, this is what my shirt is looking like. Now it's time to work on that bit that we cut out earlier. I'm just going to cut off the seam area. It was too thick and I didn't need it. She needs to go. So after cutting that off, I'm going to cut this fabric into 2 equal parts. I'm going to cut it into 2, just like this. And then after, I'm going to give that a good stretch. After stretching it, it should be looking like this. Yes. Repeat with the other one, just like this. Yeah. And after, they are good to go. Now I'm going to take one of the edges of one side of my shirt, and I'm going to take one of these strings and I'm going to tie that together, just like this. You should put the shirt on your body just to figure out the side that you need to tie the rope to. I'm going to tie it together tight, really tight. I'm going to repeat the same process in the other side as well. After that, I'm giving it a good pull just to make sure that everything is tight and secure. If everything is okay, just cut off the excess fabric, and that is it. Your shirt is ready. Just repeat the same process in the other side as well, and there you have it, your own wrap body, sexy wrap body shirt top. Now it's time to try on this shirt. Just wear it on your body just like you will normally wear your shirt, just like this. Then you're going to grab each side of this top, this body wrap, this wrap, and then you're going to wrap it around your body. You can wrap as tight as you want or as loose as you want. Just wrap it around your body just like this. Yes, and then tie everything together. Just tie a knot in the front. This is how my wrap is looking. It's looking so cute. I love it. I wore this the same day I finished it. I really can't wait. Just give the sleeves a good pull, and this is what the back is looking like. Now let me show you how to dress the dark color bit. This is what it's looking like. So you're going to button it. It has one button and one buttonhole. Just button it around your neck and just arrange it the way that you would normally arrange your shirt collar, and there you have it. Your beautiful top is ready. You can style it with any cloth, anything, jeans, skirt, anything at all. This shirt is so beautiful, and it will fit your body more than it fits me. That's all for this video. If you love this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends and family. Till next time, bye.